Hello friends, in this tutorial, I will give you quick fixes for your iPhone 16 that keeps freezing or restarting. Let's start with some basic solutions. Keep in mind and please, contribute to the community by sharing helpful workaround in the comment box. Your insights can make a difference. The first easy solution is to force restart your iPhone. If your iPhone is frozen, force restart is the only option. Here's how to do that step by step. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This can instantly fix all internal software issues. However, it is still not helpful and occurs repeatedly when checking for overheating freezes issues. If your iPhone is overheating, leave it alone for 15 minutes. Don't use it for gaming, browsing, or recording until it cools down completely. Another important fix for this problem is free up storage space. Low storage can cause your iPhone to freeze. Here's what to do. Go to Settings app, scroll down, and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage and check how much space is left. Make sure you have at least 10 GB free. Delete unnecessary apps by tapping the app name and selecting Delete. Follow the same steps for photos or videos like this. Another essential solution is to update all your apps. Outdated apps can lead to issues. To update them, open the App Store, tap your profile picture, and see a list of all pending app updates. Select Update All to get the latest versions of your apps. Otherwise, update the problematic app first, then later on update it individually. Now that all your apps are updated, ensure that your iPhone OS is updated. Ensure your iPhone has the latest iOS version. At the time of video creation, the latest version is iOS 18.1.1. Follow the steps below and update your iPhone to the newest version. Stop or remove beta version if installed. If you are already done, then wait for the next software update. Go to Settings app. Tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update and install any updates if available. Another important solution for many iPhone users is to reset all settings. This option will reset settings only, will not erase data and media files. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. In the General menu, scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. From the options, choose Reset All Settings. If prompted, enter your passcode. Confirm your choice by tapping Reset All Settings again. Don't worry, this won't delete your data, it just resets your settings to default. After resetting the device, you have to connect to the Wi-Fi internet manually and check that the issue is fixed. If you feel that your iPhone's online app and browsing experience are frozen, check that a VPN is installed and remove it completely. Follow the steps to delete VPN configurations. If you're using a VPN, it might cause freezing. To remove it, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap General. In the General menu, scroll down and tap VPN and Device Management. You'll see any active or installed VPN profiles. Tap the VPN profile you want to remove. Tap Delete VPN to remove it from your device. Confirm by tapping Delete again. This will remove the selected VPN profile from your iPhone. Another solution is related battery. To check your battery health, follow the steps on your iPhone. A weak battery can cause freezing. Go to Settings app, tap on Battery, and select Battery Health and Charging. Here, you'll see your battery's maximum capacity. If it's low, consider replacing it. 80% is recommended for battery health. For that, contact Apple support. If your device is under warranty, you will get a free replacement. Check the separate video tutorial on iPhone warranty status online, which is given in the video description. Another possible fix is to avoid restoring from old backups. Don't restore apps from an old backup when setting up your iPhone. Instead, download apps directly from the App Store to avoid hidden issues. If none of the solutions works for you, then contact Apple support or request to consider a replacement. You can contact Apple support via email, chat, or phone. Some users say the white model has fewer issues, but this might not always be true. And that's it. Try these tips to fix your iPhone 16 Pro. Share which solution is helpful in your case. Don't miss to like, share, and subscribe for more updated tech tips.